Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to lock folder in Google Drive. So what I'm preferring to lock here is that no one can easily access your file. So to create new folder, you have to right click and then name your folder. After that, tap create. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to upload a file, you just have to right click and then tap upload file. And this is what it looks like. Now to lock your folder, all you have to do is to click this three dots and then scroll down. Tap this folder information, click details, and then under details, you will see here manage access. So what you're going to do is to click this manage access right here. Now in manage access, you will see here general access where you can set your folder into restricted. So if you tap restricted, then the person who wants to access your folder needs your confirmation first, or it needs your permission in order for them to open that. So you can also tap this viewer commenter editor, but it will let the person or the user have full access to your folder. Now, if you set your folder into restricted and you copy the link or share this to someone, and when they receive the link, they will see this and they need to tap this request access, and you will be notified that someone wants to open your folder. And it's up to you if you let the person or if you permit that person to open your folder. So in that way, it seems like you have locked your folder. Now you can let them open by setting it to viewer, commenter, or editor. So that's it. You can also lock your file. Okay, so you just have to tap this at three dots and then look for lock the file and then lock this. But either ways, if you want to lock or restrict your folder, or if you have the full control of the access of your folder, all you have to do is to set this into restricted. So you can also let them open this, like what I've mentioned before, as a viewer, commenter, or editor, or you can also decline. So I hope this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.